Hi, Susan. Welcome to the farm. Kimberly, welcome. Amy, welcome. Welcome to the farm, Becky. Christina, welcome to the farm.
Come on in. Squeeze in here.
Do you routinely vaccinate, or do you only vaccinate when you think there's a problem?
No, there's routine vaccinations that are given for certain diseases.
Okay.
There's other things, if the disease is in the herd, then we vaccinate.
Okay.
So it's really both ways,
Okay.
but most pigs will get something between 1 and 3 weeks of age. Most of their shots are given, and then that's it. It's better to prevent than to have to treat or.
Well, you know what, there is a concern of that, like just general widespread use of antibiotics.
How often do you have to give them something? Like,
I rarely get I have medicine on site, and just like a prescription, there's an expiration date on it. I actually end up throwing most of mine out because it expires before I ever use it. A lot of what they get or how they're treated is exactly some of the same stuff we take.
yeah.
Amoxicillin is common, for a treatment. I mean, we're giving that to our kids.
It was nice to know that they don't use it as a general course of action, but as a preventative, and really preventative for the sick animals, not just everybody.